So as you can see, I have generated one video. Let me show you the example. So this
Finally,
is
I got
the
some thriller
output.
khaja. Thanks, my friend Kamrul, for inviting me into.
So this two video is
Finally, I
actually
got
made
some
with
thriller
the
khaja.
lowest credit, and this is the VO3 fast model, and this can also include you the audio. So if you're drafting something, maybe you can just make it more enhanced. There is that option also. So if you try to download this one, you can see you'll get this option upscaled 180. So normally it's original 720p, and the details is a little bit less than the VO3 high version, but I think for my use this is good, and the price is really cheap. So as you can see, there is a new model right here. If you click here, you can see there is four models right now, and there is V2, V3 fast, V2 quality, V3 quality. So if you use only V2, it will just cost you 10 credit per video, but there is no audio with this one. But if you try the VO3 fast, then you can see it only cost you 20 credit per video. So if you are not sure about prompt and you just give the prompt and it will not come out really great, then in that case, if trying with the quality version of the VO3, that will cost you 100 credit. That is really expensive. For that case, you can use this VO3. And once you are okay with the video output, maybe let's say I am okay with this video output, you can just click here, go to download, and you can just upscale it. So they will give the same photo with better audio and enhanced graphics. So I think this is really good because it's becoming really expensive to try with the 100 credit per videos. Now it's only 20 credits. So I think this is better way. So that was the quick update on VO3. So thank you for following my videos. I'll be sharing more tips, and see you guys on next video.